is the Win-O-Matic new semi-automatic K-Line grinder, which we're introducing. It's fully enclosed. It has coolant control on it. Has safety locks on the door. Whereas if you want to put a K-Line on the CNG 430, it's a negative insert. You would have to put K-Lines on both sides. You manually locate the insert in a pocket. You hit a cycle start button. It will automatically come down onto a planting that's at the 20-degree angle that you're washing the K-Line. It rides along a PCV rail. It will grind the 4 sides first. After the 4 sides have been ground, it will generate the radii. And you can do that as many times as you wish to give you proper edge breadth and edge quality. Once the cycle is complete, you rotate the insert, put it in the pocket again, and do the second side. Repeat the cycle. Okay, after you remove it from K-landing, you can see the 8x20 K-land, and it's shown on both sides of an RCGX. I'm sorry, it's CNG 432. On the RCGX, these real small guys, I'll try and show it better. That's a 3/1000 by 20 K-land, and that is done also automatically merely by loading it into its own stylus pockets. Each geometric shape requires a stylus. Here's some bigger ceramic inserts. That was cut in one operation. It took approximately a minute and a half to cut a 15 by 80 thousandths K-land. Different sizes on ceramic. We also can do the half dog bone, and we can get into carbide, and there's a LNU that has a K-line on both sides. This was done automatically right after loading. This large insert, there's a lot of material removing, and there's heat generated. The machine comes with coolant and coolant control. You can increase or decrease the volume of coolant as needed. The machine is programmable with a PLC unit, and you can set it up for different geometric shapes merely by touching the setup screens. You do the setup for contacting the insert to the anvils, and it gives you information there as you go along. You can teach the different positions, go to and teach. You can jog to any position. It's quite flexible, and you can program it to suit your cycle time and the quality of K-lands. It's very easy to set up, and it has a teach screen and a help screen as you get stuck in certain situations. Generally speaking, your main screen here has 3 modes. It has a continuous mode for doing rounds. It has an incremental mode for doing squares and polygon shapes. It has the oscillation mode for doing what we would call a flip-flop mode, 2 sides and a radius. And you choose any one of the cycles, and it has its own program screens. You can program some cycle times. It gives you information. You have a help screen, and it's quite simple to operate. Going back to the main screen, you can see there's a readout here in inches, and this is the area where you can make your size adjustments for the size of K-land. You have control of the wheel going up or down, the size of the K-land is controlled, and you can see using a glass scale on the machine, it gives you feedback. This gives you adequate size control of the K-land.